All right, so the Pixel 8s were announced this morning. Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro. They both had about $100 price increase, which is okay. They did get better specs. The 8 got 120 hertz refresh rate, screen, better battery, better processor. Hopefully the Tensor G3 fixes all the heating issues and gives you optimal performance, because the G2 was a little bit on the hot side. Now, 7 years of OS security and pixel drops updates. That is absolutely fantastic. It does not get better than that. They said you don't have to upgrade your phone, or that phone's going to be, the Pixel 8s are going to be supported to 2030. That is ridiculous. So if you don't like to upgrade your phone, now's the time to upgrade. And if you're upgrading, head down to the description of this video. I got a affiliated link. You're going to help support my channel. You're going to help support Gadget Beard and me by clicking that link and pre-ordering your Pixel. You're going to get the exact same deals that Google's offering on their Google store. If you pre-order the 8 Pro, you're going to get the free watch. If you pre-order the 8, you're going to get the Pixel Buds Pros, which is absolutely fantastic deals. But here's the kicker. For the Pixel 7s, you get more money for your trade-in. For the Pixel 7 Pro, I think you get like $550. For the Pixel 7, you get $450. That's more than what Google's offering you. And you get to go and pick it up the day of at the store. So no sitting around waiting for your delivery guy to get there, whether it be in the morning or in the afternoon, you risking missing the delivery guy. Just select pick up at store, and the day of, I believe they said next week, the 12th, if I'm not mistaken, show up to the Best Buy store of your choice, the one you chose, and pick up your devices there. It absolutely doesn't get better than that. One thing that really pissed me off was this time around was, why does Google offer you so much little for their devices? If you want to retain as much value from your current devices, you have to offer more money when the new version comes out. And Samsung does it, Apple does it, but Pixel does not do it. So whenever we go to trade in our Pixels for, let's say, a Samsung or an iPhone, they give you shit money, because not even Google gives you good money. If Google was to start offering you good trade-in deals for your Pixel, offering you good money, I believe that the other OEMs like iPhone and Samsung, not Pixel, would start the same and offer you more money for trade-in, a better trade-in value for Pixel devices compared to what we have now. Right now is probably the worst trade-in values you can get. They're not worth that much, and which is kind of sad, because they're absolutely fantastic devices. If Google would give you more trade-in value for these old devices, then the devices in return will maintain their value. Let me know down in the comment section below if you agree or disagree with me. Anyways, this was just a quick video to let you guys know that the Pixel 8's drop. If you're gonna pre-order it, absolutely save. Let me rephrase that. If you're gonna pre-order, right now is the best time, because they're offering you the watch, the Pixel Buds Pros. And if you head down to the description of the video and click that affiliated link, you're gonna probably get better trade-in deals at Best Buy. Like I said, better deals, Best Buy, day of, no waiting around waiting for your delivery guy to show up. Just show up at their door, pick up your device, and be on your way with the brand new Pixel 8. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be tons of Pixel 8 related videos dropping here. I'm a little conflicted. I am filming with my Pixel Fold. I do not want to put the device down, so it's going to be a struggle. It's going to be Pixel 8, the Pixel 8 Pro versus the Pixel Fold. Again, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. And I forgot how to film. Bye.